highlighted in pink everything that you're going to be.
The fire can almost like 30,000 avocado trees would have just vanished.
See? Oh!
Hello!
Okay, I was gonna try to be like chill, you know, like, oh my god, what's up, just my house. But I'm actually super excited! Okay guys, so this is my brand new house. I'm going to do an empty house tour for you. The reason that I look like this is because everything is packed, okay? Give me a break. The fires have been happening. Just give me a break, okay? We're gonna start with the entryway. So then we have a nifty little closet right here for some coats. And this is the living room. We have a nice glass fireplace. This is where the couch will probably go, even though we have technically 3 living rooms. And then this is the dining room. You're gonna get a different chandelier because this is yellow, and we're gonna raise it more. Wow, I'm sorry. And then our dining room table is going to go right here, which is the first thing that is actually being delivered right now. Come on into the kitchen. Okay, so this is a beautiful kitchen. I fell in love with this. It's huge, it's all white, and stainless steel appliances. The cupboards are so bomb. Look at this, babe. I don't think you saw
I actually haven't seen this yet.
Right?
That is beautiful.
I didn't notice that. We got an island and an amazing view of our backyard. Now we go downstairs to the second living room. This one is a wood fireplace. And I don't know what we're gonna do this room really, probably just another living room, a couch, and it actually opens up to the backyard and our pool. So now this is one of the 4 bedrooms. It's, I think, the smallest one. It's the only one on the downstairs level. This is the downstairs bathroom that guests will be able to use. Shower, toilet, and sink.
I peed in there.
My mom is really excited about this because we have a washer and dryer. And yeah, it's a Samsung, it's nifty, it's nice. And then we have a 2-car garage out there where all the boxes are, so we won't show you that. Now come upstairs. So this is the den / 3rd living room. This is gonna be the game room. We have a pool table, my Supreme sign will be on the wall, and there's an overlook downstairs. It will open. Okay, and then come to the second of the 4 bedrooms. This one actually has a setting for the fan. It's the only one that has that.
I'm sleeping in here.
Farther down the hallway, there's a double sink, shower, and bathroom. Okay, now this is my mom's bedroom. Windows, it's really big actually. 2 closets, 1, 2, and now for the master bedroom. Okay guys, this is my bedroom. All white, I love it, it's big. Tall ceilings. I love that it actually has this kind of roof because it makes it feel homey. And then I'm gonna put a window seat here, I hope. And then I get a beautiful view with mountains and everything. This is my shower. I want to change the shower head. And then bathtub. This is the only box I brought into the new house. It's my makeup.
Dang, you moved in.
My prized possessions. Closet. And I'm probably gonna turn one of the bedrooms into another closet because...
Yeah, because this giant, massive walk-in one isn't quite big enough.
No, because when I have a stylist coming over, it's way easy for her just to use that bedroom. Not a closet, just like a styling glam room. So yeah, this is the house, guys. I hope you guys liked it. I'm gonna have so much fun decorating this. And if you guys have any ideas, you wanna send me some pictures, some inspo, or nice furniture places, or if you're, an interior designer, comment down below and with your links and stuff. I want to see your stuff, and maybe you want to get this place interior design. But there's a lot of things that I need to do to unpack and move things, because that's what you do when you move. Gotta eat soon, and I'll probably vlog a little bit more later with some unpacking montages. So see you in a sec. Look at my man's struggling.
Ow.
We're making progress.
This box probably weighs 85 pounds.
We got the most important part. My vanity. Doggo. We got Doggo.
Vanity gone.
My room is so cute. Then I have all the boxes in here. I'm gonna do one by one when I'm unpacking them. Putting them up there. And then, yeah, making progress. Okay guys, it's a lot later. I still look like crap. Wow, what is my hair doing? Well, I've gotten a little bit more set up in my room. I lost my backpack, I think in the Uber on the way here, with every single Polaroid I've ever taken. I've almost teared up about it. Like all my Polaroids with Jordyn in like Thailand and Singapore, and just like all my memories that I don't capture on my phone, I take them on my Polaroid. I've had my Polaroid since 2013, and I've had about like 700 photos taken, and it's really, really upsetting me right now. So I'm trying not to focus on that, but that's basically it for this vlog. If you guys enjoyed it and are super excited for my actual house tour, then smash the thumbs up button and comment down below. Again, if you guys know interior designers or you guys have the design ideas. I'm super into Tumblr, obviously. I actually just took another Polaroid. It's still developing, but yeah, you can't really tell. But yeah, I still have to go through all these boxes. I started going through stuff in my closet. I have a little sneak peek of my closet, and then a little sneak peek of my bedroom. Again, if you guys like this video, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel if you guys are excited for my actual house tour, and I will see you guys on Sunday with a new video. Bye.